All right, Saturday morning. Been out here on my first call for about an hour now. Trying to trace down this shorted out 24 volt issue. Furnace won't shut off at the thermostat. Did a bunch of troubleshooting here. I had found this original wire was melted, so I thought that was going to be it. Repaired this short wire here. Didn't fix the issue. So I moved on, followed this wire up, and it's stuck. Someone installed this support beam here in the basement not too long ago, and that wire, they got stuck in between the two pieces of wood, and it will not pull out. So I can almost guarantee you that's where our problem is. That's where our problem is at. Making the repair, and by golly, I hope to God that this is it, because I don't want to have to pull a new wire, because it's not pretty. Old house, no fun. Let's see what happens. All right, connections are made. Just hanging there temporary until I know for sure this is going to do the job. It should. I'm gonna go up and make sure the thermostat's turned up. Here we go. I'm gonna have to throw this stat back on. See what happens. Stats back on. Not calling for heat. I think that was it. Whoever installed that support beam really put this guy in a pickle. Power's on. We got no flame. There we go. Another one in the books.